So I know you can tell by seeing the hat, the uniform. I work at Domino's right now. I've been working here for about like 2 weeks. Got the job because of my friend Zach. He said it was pretty relaxing. You make pretty decent amount of money compared to how much you're working. It's ironic that he got me the job because he kind of quit like right when I got the job.
Domino's is really a good ass job, but the only bad thing is you gotta deal with mad customers all day, and that shit is really not for me. So that's all I got to say, really.
But anyways, that's off topic. I'm gonna go grab a delivery and I'm gonna take y'all with me. I'm gonna try to take y'all inside and show as much as I can, like me grabbing a delivery, but I'm really not sure how much I can show you, so it might not be too much. We'll see. I feel like a spy going undercover right now. Pretty much most of the time I'm just waiting here, waiting for the pizzas to get made. Basically, I just packed this pizza up, put the receipt in the package, check it out, and I gotta go grab a soda. No crushed ice in my soda. Alright, so I just grabbed the soda, I'm out. You don't understand how painful it is to get all the way to your delivery and forget the soda. You guys don't know how many times I did that. It's so annoying, and you don't like get paid extra for it because you just get one tip. I didn't mention this part, but I put the Domino's sign on top of my car so everyone knows. I mean, I don't see why they have to know I'm Domino's, but they know. Alright, so after your pizza's secured in its seatbelt, that was a joke. I'm being deadass, that was a joke. Right after that, you go right to the app, you click on the order, and it sends you right there. It's really simple, and I'll let you guys know when I'm there. Alright, so I just delivered to the customer. He didn't tip, but what you gonna do? Chris D. I'm about to head back to the building now, and see how this video plays out. Alright, so I just got back to the building. That last guy actually did end up tipping online, so kudos to him. You know? But this is off topic and not really part of the video. Kinda is because I'm making it, but hit my push-ups after every delivery. 10,000. So let's talk money. I'm sure a lot of you are here for the money, trying to see how much a delivery driver really makes. Really, I make $5 an hour. I don't know how much they make because people have been working there before me. You know, I just got here 2 weeks ago. So really, I just make all my money off tips. So if they pay me good, I get paid good for that delivery. If they don't pay me at all, it is what it is. That's just how this job is. But there are those customers that pay really, really big. Kind of makes up for the people that don't pay at all. Now let's get into a rough average on how much I get tipped. I'm gonna show you right now. As far as miles though, I get paid 52 cents a mile. And when it comes to that, you don't really want to detour too much because you're gonna be losing money. The miles is just how much it takes for you to get to the building, to the place, not how much you drive. So you don't really want to just be driving everywhere. Alright, so I got my coworker Justin right here. He's gonna he's not used to the camera, so
yeah.
how you feel about Domino's though?
Pretty good. Ups and downs. Sometimes there's good nights. Sometimes there's bad nights.
And do you think it's been slow because of the season, like football and stuff?
I can't say. It's still been relatively busy.
Okay, yeah.
A little bit on and off.
Yeah.
So it's usually just a matter of good tips or no tips.
And do you recommend it?
That's a tough question.
He's a delivery driver like me, so.
We could always use more people.
Yeah.
Need to have, let's see, a lot of patience though.
Okay. All right, so just know that right there. Thank you.
No problem.
All right, so basically the night just ended. I just clocked out, cleaned up a little. We don't really have to clean too much as a driver, but you know, just a little bit, just a little dust sweep, trash. So I ended the day with $110. I'd say it was a little on the low side because I think I've been making a little bit more recently. But anyways, today was pretty smooth for me because I was on the road like the whole time, in and out, in and out. I do not like being stuck in that kitchen. I like being on the road, my podcast, my music, its potential for more tips, and that's pretty much it. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe, because there's plenty more coming. I want to see you there. Peace.